Hi friends, welcome to Tutorials Point. Myself Ajay Lokesha, and in this video we are going to talk about operations management and introduction under that. These are all the various subheadings which we are going to cover: definition of operation, and then entities, process, and then customer oriented operations, and then management oriented operations. With respect to the operation, we need to understand the definition point of view. It is nothing but designing and managing a process based on the requirement for a desired result. For these things, we need to have an operation, and entities can be a product or it can also be a service. In both the places, we can plan for the operations. From the process point of view, we need to understand that the resource management needs to be efficient, and we need to have an always effective customer satisfaction whenever we are completely designing a particular operation. So operations can be customer oriented operations or it can be a management oriented operations, and we are going to see all these operations in the coming slides. In the customer oriented operations, so complete operation will be designed in such way that customer would be in the focus and the orientation would be done from customer point of view. We can see certain examples like marketing management, project management, design of product and process, supplier management, manufacturing and production, quality, sales. So all these processes are however going to be dealt in detail in the coming videos. These are all predominantly oriented from the customer point of view. So when we do major activities, this would be more or less in line with the customer expectations. We also have management oriented operations like HR operations, finance, legal and transaction, and general administrations, where here a customer does not give a lot of expectations and requirements to us, but as a company we need to have a lot of these kind of requirements and expectation, so that at the end of the day when we are delivering to our customer, this would be a fundamental criteria and a systemic control over those things. So to conclude, we can understand that operation is what we understood. We were defined operations, and we also understood the management oriented operations and also customer oriented operations. That's all in this video. Thank you so much.